everyone, welcome back. Not getting Depop push notifications for new offers, sales, or messages. Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to find Depop or directly search for it. Then tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's green, tap it green. Check alert style below it and set it to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of your settings, then search for focus. Now go through every focus mode you use: sleep, do not disturb, work, everything. Go through each one and then go to apps and make sure that Depop is not on the list. For Depop sellers specifically, getting offer and purchase notification quickly matters. Also, go inside the Depop app after making changes. Tap profile. Once you tap on your profile, then tap settings and confirm notifications are turned on at the app level too, since Depop has its own in-app notification toggle separate from iPhone system settings. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Depop, allow notifications on banners, focus checked, and then confirm in-app notifications too. Depop alerts will arrive and that's it. Subscribe.